y'all. There's a squirrel right there on that tree, and there's a squirrel running across. These things are everywhere. Y'all, oh shoot, nugget. Y'all just wait till, look at that big old red squirrel right there. The thing just jumped onto the tree. I said, y'all just wait till that first freeze. We're gonna be having us a killing cook. Man, I'm ready. Anyway, today I got the good old Shakespeare Ugly Stick. That's a 5-foot ultralight rod and reel with the Super Fluke on it. And then I got the good 7-foot medium heavy with Texas rigged baby brush hog. Gonna just do some fishing today down here, see what we can't catch. But fish fight really good on the ultralight. I love it because it makes them all feel like good 4-pound fish. But you know, it's just I need a video because I haven't had a video in a while. Fishing percentage, well, according to the experts, as what they like to call themselves, they like to say it's 30% up right now. And well, it's coming down in the sun setting. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And we got a tournament this Saturday. And I say a lot, don't I? Anyway, we got a tournament this Saturday. Planning on doing video there. It's over in Mobile River. And there we go again. And this, and that. Well, I'll get back with y'all when I get down here and start catching something. Well, first up on the list is this old buddy right here with that fluke on there. Let's see if I can't get me a couple bites on this. Got one. Look at that, first cast, baby. First cast on the Super Fluke. I guess those so-called experts do know what they're talking about. Hey, first fish of the day, baby. First fish of the day. Oh God, I must drop my first little fish on the Super Fluke. There you go. Water's down a little bit today. It's usually not this low. Well, I mean, I don't know. It's been high past year or so. But yeah, he was bleeding on me pretty good. Man, it feels good. I haven't caught a fish in, I don't even know. Haven't caught a fish in a while. Haven't caught a fish since our last tournament. Yeah, it's a long time. It's what, 2.5 weeks? Man, it's like a drug, I'm telling you. That Super Fluke's paying off already. Let's see if I can get me another little hole. Just doing. Oh, I thought I had one hit him. On again, baby. Got me a good one. Oh, this is a little bit better. Oh, are you kidding me? You kidding me? He just, oh my gosh. He got off. I didn't set the hook good enough. That was a good one. That was pretty good right there. Oh yeah, right in the tree too. Get that old dropping. Doom. Man, I need to catch some fish, baby. Man, y'all don't even know. I've had a craving for some fishing. Woo. But y'all wait, alright? Because coming up pretty soon, I'm gonna have some hunting videos up. Got me some stuff for the bigger camera so I can film in the tree stand and stuff like that. Gonna be hunting with the 30-30. We got some deer coming in. Let's see. Flew out there. Oh, I'm on. Hey, on the ultralight. Oh, it's a bluegill. Somebody comment below what this fish is. I think it's a red belly bluegill or something like that, a little sunfish, but it's super pretty. Pretty little fish. On the old Super Fluke. Man. This old ultralight makes them feel good. I like it. I love fishing with this old rod and reel. I said a rod and reel. This old rod and reel does real good. What the heck was that thing? Oh yeah, that's just our monster bucks. Y'all ain't gotta worry about that. That was my my giant monster deer I have coming in. He's a 18 point non-typical, I think. Yeah, that's what we classified him as. He's got a 48 inches spread on him. He is really elusive, so you're never gonna see pictures of him. But yeah, I petted him. Yeah, it's my pet. It's my pet monster deer. He don't like being, he's camera shy. He can speak too. Anyway, let's get back to fishing. So, me and Eli got some plans for the old John boat here. Our plans may or may not include, but are not limited to, putting a casting deck on this John boat, like right here. Putting a 10 horsepower motor on it. Old Mercury 9.9 horsepower, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get the more power, baby. I'm gonna find a clip of that Donut Media dude saying it. More power. Here you go. Yeah, here that is, so I don't look like a retard. But ow, dog nabbit. Don't stick your hand in the holes that you can't see through. Don't get poked by sharp objects. Yeah, I learned from experience. That's me. All right. Let's see. There any spider webs right there? I don't know. I think we'll be all right. Okay. Well, I'll see you out in the water. Well, on today's episode of Mistakes I Make on a Daily, your homeboy forgot to bring some bug spray. And well, I don't know if y'all know this, but it's quite obvious that bugs love your pasty white mayonnaise, man. And so yeah, I'm dealing with that right now. Mosquito bites all over me. But I'll be alright, I guess. I'm thinking about making this thing a trophy bass pond, like having one big in here trying to grow up like a 8-pounder or something like that. I think that'd be a cool thing to do. Well, my battery's on 69. Haha, funny number. Haha, funny humor. But there's that. Yeah. Let's see if I can't get me some biggin' hogs today. Beautiful. Perfect cast. There goes my Super Fluke. Well, I'll get back with y'all in a second. Try not to lose this one. You kidding me? I lost him. Oh, he's still on. Hit it again. Oh my gosh. Y'all, oh my lord. Oh my lord. Y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. This is, oh my god. Oh, what the heck? When did Spincast start backlashing? That's some weird stuff right there. Will Old Faithful fail me today? Will she do it? Them clouds. Oh my gosh. They're off Toy Story or something right there. That's pretty, ain't it, man? That's real pretty. Well, I reckon I'll give her a couple more tries. One more cast never hurt nobody now, did it? But yeah, I guess while I'm taking these last few more casts, I could explain to y'all about this merch stuff. So if you want a jacket or something, after I make them, y'all will know. I will be posting stuff on my Instagram and things like that. Oh, got me one. Hey. Look at that. Got me a bass. Choked her too, man. She's gonzos. Look at that. Look, you can see the fluke thing coming out the back of this thing. Well, that's my key, boys. Well, here's the last fish of the night. Just heard the dinner bell ring. Last fish of the night. Y'all remember, stay safe. And always, thanks for watching.